Tara and the rabbit continued their journey toward the floating castle through the magical world. The rabbit guided Tara carefully. Every step revealed new wonders she had never seen before. Soon, Tara discovered a beautiful forest filled with shining crystal trees and flowers. But something seemed strange. The crystal flowers were losing their magical glow. Something is wrong. Even the magical butterflies looked weak as they rested silently among the trees.
The crystal forest has lost its magical light.
Lost its light? What happened?
The crystals are fading. We must find the source.
Can I help? Tara wanted to help and asked what she could do to save the forest.
Your help is exactly what we need.
Then I'll do it!
The rabbit explained that 3 missing crystals powered the entire forest.
3 crystals, they're beautiful!
Without them, the forest magic is fading.
How can we find them? Their first task was to find the lost blue crystal hidden nearby. Tara discovered the blue crystal beside a sparkling stream and picked it up gently. Found it! Next, they searched for the pink crystal hidden deep within giant flowers.
Tara reached carefully and smiled when she finally found the second crystal.
The final crystal rested high upon a small crystal hill.
Tara climbed slowly and carefully, refusing to give up on her mission.
At last, Tara found the golden crystal and held it proudly. I did it! Together, Tara and the rabbit hurried back to restore the forest. Let's restore it. As the blue crystal returned, soft light spread through the forest. The pink crystal brought color and beauty back to the flowers.
The golden crystal restored the forest's powerful magical energy.
The butterflies danced happily as the crystal forest came alive once again. The entire forest sparkled brighter than ever before.
The rabbit smiled and pointed toward the floating castle in the distance. Look ahead! The castle glowed brightly, as if it had noticed Tara's bravery. But high above the kingdom, a mysterious shadow watched Tara from the castle tower.